This video is a demonstration for the QR code replace text custom feature. First, import your file by dragging and dropping. It must be the image created for this process. Resize the image and place it anywhere in the workspace. Make copies if you want to have multiple. Next, ensure you name the images in sequence QR-image1- and then QR-image2-A and QR-image3-A. The naming of the images will tell the program which image to replace text. Now click the Workspace Capture button, which will get the image into the workspace. Ensure the QR codes are clear and well lit, otherwise adjust the camera focus on the local setup page and add more lighting. Type the command QR-vivaquant and the image will be scanned by QR codes and images updated. The text is updated in 2 locations and the data matrix is replaced also. The image is now ready to be engraved. FSL has made an error detection for cases when the QR codes detected doesn't match the number of desired. For example, type the command QR-vivaquant count in quotes :4. The program will tell you the number of QR codes found 3 does not match the expected count 4, which will prevent errors.